Nag-seatbelt ka natin, Arnie.
Ay, mainit, grabe.
Ganun sa mga.
Ay, ano daw? Pwede kitaan. Ah. Dito kami.
Siya si Moody.
Ay, hello po.
May pinapapigay daw si Adrian.
Si Adrian. Oo.
Siya ba si Sir
Tapos,
Lawrence? Hindi ko kilala si Sir Lawrence.
Ano? Emmanuel.
Sir Lawrence. Ayun o, doon.
Ay, yun lang pala.
Sige, walang pantay yung boot.
Sige,
thank you, Christine.
Doon tayo may kukunin.
Doon.
Ay,
Mag-video ka lang.
Sige.
ay sino may picture sa kanya?
Mag-picture ka, tapos
Hi, shout out. Welcome to my vlog.
Saan? Dito daw tayo. Mamaya maraming tayo. Judge. Ganun talaga. Ayun lang nakatalaga.
Marble type, 75. Negotiable. Ang ganda. Okay, Mami Rachel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan ang
Ay,
May ano siya sa'yo?
ay, thank you.
Pa ano. Tapos may ibibigay daw po kayo.
Oh, yes.
Sige, punta kami.
Ay, po.
La 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 la. La la la. Nandito kami sa circle.
Ay, pa-picture kami.
Picture kayong dalawa. Wait lang.
Ayaw na ako kausap eh.
8, 5.
Pero, twinkle lang siya.
Ganun talaga yung ano niya. Pag nilalabas niya yung ano niya, tula niya. Pag gumagalan siya. Pag gumagalan siya. Tuwa.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Euro.
This afternoon, I'm going to share with you my experience in doing landscaping. I'm a graduate of architecture in Sakalis University. contract and
Magkano yan?
design and implementation.
Bigyan kita ng ganyan.
So this afternoon, I want to share with you my work that I've been doing. No, I started
Magkano?
landscaping
70,000?
24 years ago. So this is my 24th year. So my job is not only limited to landscaping. We also do weddings once in a while with plants. So plant rental for weddings, for small and other anything that has to do with plant decoration and plant stuff.
Pero friendly pa.
Representative of Evia.
It's complete. There's going to be talking. The owner wants something very good. So
Kanino pa ito isa? Kay sa kanila, Sir Kwang.
Si Kwang, I think, baka is he in toilet?
Yeah.
Brother Kwang.
Ito yung, ano ko nila? Ay, ito nga, ito. Kasi gusto ko
So we combine it with palm trees. For flowering plants, we use the big containers. Big white containers that 25 meters wide.
Ako
It's a very big area. So we make use of big containers. So I want to share with you
na siya agad. Pwede ko sa
This is for a
Thank you.
birthday party. This is the restaurant that
Paano mo siya
the
pag-ano
client
para
wants
hindi siya
to be
mag-kumpa?
very tropical.
Gaano mo siya pa-distance sa gulat?
We make use of
usually ito, hindi ito light issue.
relax,
Usually overwatering. So, Adrian.
This is another one. This one is
Bigyan mo na pati na
Grabe, ang pangit.
first class of this.
From Asia.
In this photo,
Centimeter? So like this?
Yes. No, not that far. Like this one.
tree,
From the glow light?
some flower
Are you sure it's
pots
this
that
big?
are shaped,
You don't want?
I like it. Of course, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ay,
At the
coming.
back,
Thank
we
you.
have the light and it's exposed to the sun. The Alcantarilla can take. So choose the plant
Ang tawag.
that you want to take. Locate the once the plum shade under something. You can have to put plants that can grow in full sun. If not, they will burn. Next one.
Kakaloka, di ba?
Na yung mga plan.
I'm very fond of using this because very quite
Yeah, sure. Ay, sorry. Sige.
easy to maintain. This one
Hello?
is for the right side.
Hello?
Yura.
Kasi hindi siya pinicturan.
Sa akin. Excuse po.
Just to excess soil. So what next now is that
Christina, saan ka? Nawala na tayo. Ay, sabi ko, nawala na kami. Wow.
Waki o ba, Waki?
Bakit kung saan yung magwapo kayo?
Dito.
Kaya nga eh.
Nakita niyo naman yun sa
Kita mo kuya, may ganyan kayo sa bahay, dalawang giant.
Saan?
Bility.
No?
Yeah. Wag mong tingnan, wag mong tingnan. Thank you. Sinalaminan pa!
65? Ay, hindi mo dito magkano 65 oh.
cases,
Ang dami mo nang bililing paso sa kamot.
Basta magkatawa, yugat mga siman. Ba't ang dami mong binili? Isang paso lang sa kayo. Malaki man ba? Yung mas maliit yan. Mas maliit yan. Matagal man po yung
Hey, Euro! Kapuchi-puchi! Hi! Hi!
Buti kaya kaya mong buuin eh. Iyan, di mabuo yung ganyan.
Ang alam lang yan, magwaldas.
Tama, sinabi mo pa.
Kaya,